Good afternoon, sir. We have a direction from our DG. I am Pravin Kumar Roy. I am engineer and ship surveyor with the Directorate General of Maritime Administration, Ministry of Port Shipping and Waterways. So I'll just quickly familiarize people with some of the key aspects what we are dealing with related to decarbonization, and URN is a part of that, and especially the role what we are playing at the IMO with relation to URN and IMO glow noise, glow litter, red plastic, and some other aspects related to the National Maritime Decarbonization Policy Framework, which DGMA has developed, which will lay the pathways for India towards the decarbonization and sustainability initiatives. Initiatives wherein India is engaged with the International Maritime Organization. The first is the glow litter, which is reducing sea-based marine plastic litter. We are actively a part of glow litter, wherein the various rules and regulations are being developed, which will regulate the kind of plastic waste being carried out on ships and what is discarded. The second is your Green Voyage 2050, advancing IMO greenhouse gas reduction strategies. In this, IMO has done a study with TNB, which is a classification society, on the bunker and pricing demand of alternate fuels in India. So the alternate fuels, which you all must be knowing, that apart from HSFO, high sulfur fuel, we call it in shipping, and diesel oil, methanol, e-methanol, biofuels. So these alternate fuels, which are going to be the future of shipping. This IMO has done a study on the port readiness level, the infrastructure existing, or new infrastructures which have to be developed at the ports, which can cater to the fuel, and the ships demand, whatever it will develop, which will come in eventually once the IMO Net Zero framework is in place. So that study is now ready, and it will be released officially by September, which we will share with the MRC team also, so that it can be communicated to the other stakeholders. And glow noise, of course, which is the reducing underwater radiated noise pollution, wherein we had a few, we are the lead pilot country, which is carrying out few workshops and especially a environment risk assessment study, which I'll just show in the next slide. Yeah, so this is the glow noise partnership related to the URN part, wherein of course the circulars MEPC 1 Circ 906 is as of now it's not mandatory, it's voluntary, wherein various type of regulatory measures are addressing URN has been there, and we are discussing it how to go about that. MRC is one of our key members, and we are actually going to present a paper also, I think, at this session. So I will not go into much, but just we had a workshop on in April 2026 on the URN toolkit, wherein it's similar software which MRC has it. It's called Raindrop, and we had stakeholders from NIO and NIOT, wherein the training to use the software regarding the mapping of URN was given. So. Yeah, so this is a more detailed part. Yeah, this is that study, this is the study for India, which IMO is funding, which IIT Guwahati has been awarded to carry out this 4-month environmental risk and impact assessment of underwater URN. But, we are struggling to get the data, which yesterday I highlighted that still I am on phone with DGLL because they need some special kind of permission to release the AIS data. So, that part is there. Yeah, so this is, I just want to, for general stakeholders, that DGMA under the leadership of MOPSC, of course, we have developed a National Maritime Decarbonization Policy Framework, wherein we have 8 pillars: green shipbuilding, green ports, green ship recycling, green finance, green fuels, alternate fuels, green technology, and pollution prevention, wherein various pathways and a roadmap to achieve the targets defined in maritime, the mother policies, Maritime Amrit Vision 2047 and Maritime Vision 2030 is laid out. It is still with the ministry as of today. The policy has been already developed with various stakeholders consultations. The ministry is now circulating this document between other ministries, MNRE, MOPNG, Ministry of Finance, Commerce, and other ministries. Once the feedback is received, then this particular document will be released. Yeah, that's it, sir. Thank you.